Welcome back to Tenfinity. Today, we're diving into something truly fascinating. 10 strange physical features you didn't know you had. From hidden senses to peculiar abilities, our bodies are full of surprises that you probably didn't know existed. Let's explore these 10 intriguing traits that make human physiology far more interesting than you might think. Did you know that your skin has unique patterns that can reveal a lot about your health? Or that your inner ear plays a crucial role in maintaining your balance? And how about the fact that your ears can detect sounds that are imperceptible to others? Your taste buds are another marvel, capable of distinguishing thousands of different flavors. The sense of touch is equally fascinating, with receptors in your skin that can detect the slightest changes in texture. And let's not forget about the incredible flexibility of your joints, allowing for a wide range of movements. Reflexes are another intriguing feature, enabling you to react swiftly to sudden changes in your environment. Proprioception, or the sense of body position, is a hidden ability that helps you navigate the world with ease. And finally, your fingerprints are unique to you, providing a fascinating insight into your individuality. So, let's dive in and uncover these 10 intriguing traits that make human physiology far more interesting than you might think. 10. Human noses can follow a scent trail. Imagine tracking down a missing chocolate bar by scent alone, like a bloodhound. In 2007, UC Berkeley researchers tested this with volunteers following a chocolate-scented rope. While humans aren't as adept at tracking scents as dogs, studies suggest we can smell certain odors better than dogs, such as human blood or bananas. Our noses contain around 400 types of olfactory receptors, which can detect 1 trillion different scents. Interestingly, our sense of smell is closely linked to memory and emotion, which is why certain scents can instantly transport us back to specific moments in our lives. For example, the smell of coffee can evoke feelings of warmth and comfort, while the scent of freshly cut grass might remind us of summer days. The olfactory bulb, which processes smells, is directly connected to the brain's limbic system, the area responsible for emotions and memory. This intricate connection explains why certain smells can trigger powerful emotional responses and vivid memories. So next time you take a deep breath and savor a scent, remember that your nose is doing more than just detecting odors, it's connecting you to your past and your emotions. 9. A lifespan limit of 150 years. Could humans live forever? According to 2021 research, the maximum human lifespan might be capped at around 150 years. Researchers analyzed medical data to pinpoint the age at which our bodies struggle to repair themselves, suggesting that extending life beyond this limit will require significant medical advancements. The study delved into the resilience of human cells and their ability to regenerate. It was found that as we age, our cells lose their capacity to repair damage effectively. Interestingly, the oldest recorded human, Jean Calment, lived to be 122 years old, which is still short of the proposed 150-year limit. One of the key factors in aging is the shortening of telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. As they shorten, our cells age and lose function. To push beyond this limit, future medical breakthroughs in gene therapy, regenerative medicine, and biotechnology will be crucial. While living to 150 years might seem like science fiction today, ongoing research and technological advancements could one day make it a reality. 8. Firefighters are heat resistant. Firefighters develop extraordinary heat resistance over their careers. A 2014 study found that seasoned firefighters become more heat resistant with experience. This ability could help structure fire teams more effectively, with veterans handling the initial heat and new recruits learning gradually. The study also revealed that firefighters undergo rigorous physical training to build their heat tolerance. They use specialized equipment and advanced protective gear designed to withstand extreme temperatures. Controlled burn exercises and simulated fire conditions are part of their training regimen. Strategic planning and teamwork are crucial, allowing them to manage heat exposure effectively. Regular medical checkups ensure that firefighters maintain their health and heat resistance. The camaraderie among firefighters also plays a role, as they share tips and experiences to cope with the intense heat. Their bravery and resilience are often recognized, highlighting the importance of their heat resistance in saving lives. Ever wondered why humans don't have fur? Surprisingly, we still have the genetic potential for a full coat of fur. Research from 2023 shows that our genes for fur are switched off, a trait we share with other hairless mammals. Our ancient ancestors likely had more body hair, which helped them stay warm. As humans evolved and started using clothing, the need for a thick fur coat diminished. Interestingly, the phenomenon of goosebumps is a remnant of our furry past. While we no longer have a full coat of fur, our body hair still serves minor protective functions. Future research might even explore the possibility of reactivating these dormant genes. Imagine a world where humans could choose to have fur again. Every person is enveloped in an invisible exposome, a cloud of microorganisms and chemicals unique to each individual. A 2018 study discovered that this exposome constantly changes based on our environment and health. Narrator at 0. 8x. This exposome is influenced by the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even the people we interact with. It's like a fingerprint, but far more dynamic. Narrator at 0. 8x. Our skin, hair, and breath release particles that contribute to this cloud. These particles can include bacteria, viruses, and even tiny fragments of our DNA. Narrator at 0. 8x. Scientists are now studying the exposome to understand how it affects our health and well-being. It's a fascinating field that could reveal new insights into disease prevention and personalized medicine. Beyond the classic five senses, there's interoception, our ability to perceive internal body states. Interoception helps us recognize when we're thirsty, cold, or unwell, and is crucial for both physical health and mental well-being. Interoception involves a network of receptors throughout the body that send signals to the brain. These signals inform us about our internal condition, such as hunger, heart rate, and even the need to breathe. The insular cortex and anterior cingulate cortex are key brain regions involved in processing interoceptive signals. This sense is so vital that it can even influence our emotions and decision-making. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can enhance interoception, helping individuals become more attuned to their internal states and improve their overall well-being. Regular physical activities such as yoga and jogging also promote better interoceptive awareness, contributing to a healthier lifestyle. Strangely, humans can't actually feel wetness. Our skin lacks receptors for detecting liquids directly. Instead, our brain blends information from other senses to create the sensation of wetness, which can sometimes lead to confusion. Narrator. This phenomenon is known as perceptual illusion. When we touch something wet, our brain combines signals from temperature receptors, pressure receptors, and touch receptors to interpret the feeling. This is why sometimes we might mistake cold metal for being wet. Narrator. Interestingly, this can also explain why we feel wetness even when there is no liquid present. Like when we sweat, our brain is tricked by the combination of sensations. This fascinating interplay of senses shows just how complex our perception really is. Humans have secret stripes. Our skin has hidden patterns called Blaschko lines visible with certain skin conditions. These lines are remnants from our embryonic development, tracing the paths of cell growth across our bodies. Named after Alfred Blaschko, a German dermatologist who first described them in 1901, these lines are not usually visible to the naked eye. They can become apparent under UV light or in cases of certain skin diseases like lichen planus or epidermal nevi. Interestingly, Blaschko lines are not unique to humans. Similar patterns have been observed in other mammals, such as cats and dogs, indicating a common developmental process. These lines follow a V-shaped pattern on the back, S-shaped whorls on the chest, and wavy lines on the head. While they might seem like a hidden secret of our bodies, Blaschko lines are a fascinating glimpse into our developmental history and the intricate processes that shape us from the very beginning. We have the potential to be venomous. Humans have the potential to produce venom, a trait similar to that of some poisonous creatures. Although our saliva contains similar genes, the levels are too low to be harmful. But it's fascinating to consider our potential for venom. The idea of venomous humans has been a part of folklore and mythology for centuries. Recent studies have shown that certain genes responsible for venom production in animals are also present in humans. This suggests that our distant ancestors might have had some form of venomous capability. With advancements in genetic research, scientists are exploring the possibility of activating these dormant genes. Imagine a future where humans could potentially harness venom for medical or defensive purposes. Venom has already been used in medicine, for example, in painkillers and treatments for certain diseases. However, the ethical implications of such advancements are still a topic of debate. The potential for human venom production remains a fascinating area of study, blending science fiction with real scientific possibilities. Kids can regrow their fingertips. One of the most incredible abilities is children's capacity to regrow their fingertips. A 2013 study revealed that kids can regenerate lost fingertips if a portion of the nail or cuticle remains. This process is known as distal phalangeal regeneration. The regeneration involves complex cellular processes where the remaining cells at the injury site proliferate and differentiate to form new tissue. Interestingly, this ability is most effective in children under the age of 12. This remarkable ability doesn't extend to adults, making it a unique trait of youth. Historical records suggest that this phenomenon has been observed for centuries, but modern science is only beginning to understand the mechanisms behind it. This unique regenerative ability highlights the incredible potential of the human body, especially during the early years of life. That's all for today's Top 10 list. If you enjoyed learning about these strange and fascinating features of the human body, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we will be back soon with another breathtaking video.